Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to look flawless in the summertime, and actually the answer to that is quite simple, and it is just rompers. Those are going to be your best friend in the summertime, especially if you're super lazy, because honestly they're super easy to throw on, and you look super stylish and cute and put together without even trying. And I think that's actually the best part. And fun fact, I actually hated rompers, but then one of my friends got me into them, and now I have quite a few collections, so I thought I might as well show you guys my romper collection in this little lookbook. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it. And there we go, those were all the rompers that I'm gonna be showing you guys today. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below which romper is your favorite. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned because I have lots of exciting videos. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!